So I am trying out this $30 fake solo tabletop stove.
With
that I
his
got
daughter.
With my daughter, Hadley. That we are trying out right now. I bought this because I thought it would be fun to have, just be able to throw in my car in case I want to cook anything real quick when we're camping or whatever.
Like hot dogs.
Like hot dogs or
Hot dogs.
bacon.
Bacon.
Or eggs.
Eggs.
Anything really. And it's been burning for almost 15 minutes. And as you can see, it is almost entirely smokeless. I used pellets that I had from my, these are hickory pellets that I used for my pellet smoker. I just filled up this jar and put about that jar in there. Put a little bit of charcoal lighter fluid in it, and it is burning away happily. And it still looks like there's a ton of pellets in there. It's been going for 15 minutes already, and it's not showing any signs of stopping anytime soon. I'm gonna turn the flash off so they can see it in the dark. That's nice. It's throwing off a pretty decent amount of heat. Nothing too crazy. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
But I like the big one better.
You like the big one better?
Yeah.
Yeah, the big one is definitely better.
But this one is good for traveling.
This one is good for traveling, for sure.
Like the wedding that we're gonna have.
The wedding we're gonna have.
Yeah.
We're gonna camp at a wedding this summer.
Yeah.
I know, it's super exciting.
And we're gonna bring this for everybody.
We're gonna bring this for everybody. I'll put a little cast iron skillet on there, or a big one.
And we can make hot dogs and eggs.
Hot dogs and eggs and,
And
bacon
for
and,
everybody.
and cheeseburgers and
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff for everybody. So we're at 30 minutes later. I broke up a stick. I put a couple of pieces in there, and we're still going strong. And Hadley's still out here with me. Say hi.
Hi. A stick accidentally put the fire out.
The stick accidentally put the fire out.
Yeah.
Yeah. It did. I tried to stir the pellets around and it went out, but I got it going again. Very easily. No problem.
So, lesson, don't stir it around with the stick.
No, don't stir it around. If it's burning good, just let it burn.
Don't stir it around with the stick.
No, don't stir it around with the stick.
Lesson you learned.
Lesson learned. Put some sticks in there, maybe.
But don't stir it around.
Don't stir it around.
Is that a real cat over there?
Where?
Over there.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's definitely a real cat.
Oh God. Oh.
I don't.
That's scaring me, dude. I'm allergic to cats.
You're allergic to cats?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, so am I.
Oh my gosh.
I also don't like them.
Oh my. Oh my. That's creepy. It's so creepy. I don't
Oh,
like
it's
it.
just staring at us.
I don't like it.
Stop staring at us, cat.
Stop staring at
Stop staring at us, cat. Okay, so after 40 minutes, we are starting to fade a little bit here. There's a nice little coal bed down there, so I'm sure if I poured another like half jar of pellets on there, it would be fine. But it's still going. It's starting to fade. Hadley, you starting to fade a little bit?
No.
No.
I'm just cold.
You're not getting tired? You're just a little cold?
No. I just wish I had
Okay, so we are at 1 hour. I did add like another quarter mason jar of pellets. It went out. I had to relight it with the charcoal lighter fluid, but it is still going strong off of very little pellets, and there's still a lot more in there to burn. Overall,
I'm still out here.
and Hadley's still out here.
I'm still out
She's
here.
still out here. Overall, I think that this thing is awesome for $30. And it's really nice if you just keep this and a jar of pellets and like a little container of like Zippo fluid or something in your glove box. You could start a tiny little campfire anywhere that'll burn for a while.
If you got this, if you forgot it.
yeah, you gotta bring this. You gotta bring this with you. Find a place to put it. So yeah, that's it. What do you think, Hadley?
It's good.
All right, cool. All right. You gonna say goodbye?
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Go ahead and say it.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. And this is not my channel. It's my dad's. That's laughing right now.